Here is how to find a deleted invoice in QuickBooks step by step. Begin in QuickBooks and go to the Settings menu, marked with the gear icon. Click it, then select Audit Log. This is where QuickBooks records activity for changes made in the company file, including transactions that were deleted. Once the audit log opens, you will see a list of events with details about what was changed and when it happened. From here, look through the log until you find the deleted invoice. Depending on how much activity there has been in the file, you may need to scan the entries carefully. You are looking for a record that shows an invoice was deleted. The log will usually include the type of transaction, the user, the date, and the action that was taken. Make sure you open the correct deleted invoice before moving on, especially if there are several invoices with similar dates or amounts. After you locate the deleted invoice entry, open its transaction history. This gives you a closer look at the record tied to that deleted invoice. In QuickBooks, the audit log does not restore the original transaction directly, but it does preserve the information you need in order to recreate it. Opening the transaction history is what lets you review that saved record in more detail. Now review the deleted invoice details. Take a moment to confirm that the customer, invoice date, products or services, amounts, and any other visible information match the invoice you need. This is the point where you verify that you are recreating the right transaction. If anything looks different from what you expected, stay on this screen and check the details again before you continue. Once you have confirmed the invoice details, click Copy to New. QuickBooks will use the deleted invoice record as the basis for a new invoice, which saves time and helps keep the recreated transaction consistent with the original. A new invoice form will open with the copied information filled in from the deleted one. On the new invoice, review the information one more time before saving. This final check helps you confirm that the copied invoice reflects the details shown in the audit history. If the invoice includes line items, totals, or dates, compare them against what you saw in the deleted record. Since you are recreating a deleted transaction, it is worth making sure the form matches what you intended to recover. When everything looks correct, save the new invoice. QuickBooks will then create a fresh invoice based on the deleted one, and it will appear as an active transaction in your records again. Keep in mind that this is a new invoice created from the audit record, not the original deleted transaction being restored in place. The deleted invoice has now been recreated and saved as a new invoice in QuickBooks.